Today we have a discussion on estimation and types of estimation. First of all, we have to know what is estimation. Actually, the estimation, which is a written document, which is mainly used to calculate the cost as well as quantity of the material which required for the construction, or an estimate, which is a computation or calculation of quantities which required, an expenditure which is likely to be incurred in the construction of a work, and the probable cost of work, and is determined theoretically by mathematical calculation based on the plans and drawings and current rates. Then types of estimation. They are preliminary or approximate or rough estimate, detailed estimates, quantity estimate or quantity survey. First one, preliminary or rough estimate. This estimate which is done in order to find out an approximate cost in very short time before starting the project. The estimation which is made before selecting the final specification and design of the project. This method, which is also known as preliminary or approximate or rough estimate. The purpose of this approximate estimate which is mainly to evaluate the cost of the project in very short time, and which is also to evaluate the difference between several options and to check the final cost of the project, that is calculated by detailed estimation. The next section we will discuss about the detailed estimation. Some methods of approximate estimation which are the plinth area or square meter method, cubic rate or cubic meter method, service undle or undle rate method, approximate quantities with bill method, cost comparison method, the cost of materials and labor. These are some of the methods of approximate estimate. If you are taking a single method, the square meter method, which is done by selecting the price of 1 square meter area of the building, and it is mainly for calculating the cost of office buildings, residential buildings, school buildings, apartments, hospitals, etc. Next one is detailed estimate. The detailed estimates which are prepared by carefully and separately calculating in details the cost of various items of work that constitute the whole project from the detailed working drawings after the design has been finalized. The mistakes, if any, in the rough cost estimate which are eliminated in the detailed estimate, and detailed estimates which are submitted to the competent authorities for obtaining technical sanction. Besides the drawings and details of measurements and calculations of quantity, that means bill of quantities, the following documents which are also usually submitted with the detailed estimate for obtaining technical sanction. They are report, specification, detailed drawings showing plans, different sections, key or index plan, etc., design data and calculation. These are some of the documents which has to be submitted with the detailed estimate. A report which explaining the history, necessity, scope and main features of the project, its design and estimate, etc. The specifications laying down the nature and class of work as well as material which is to be used in various parts of the work. Then cost. The abstract of cost showing the total quantities under each subhead, rate per unit of measurement and cost. The calculation sheets showing the calculation for important parts of the structure. In fact, in estimating, the art and skills lies only in the computation of details without any omissions for all parts of building or work. These are some of the documents which has to be submitted with the detailed estimate for obtaining the technical sanction. Next one is quantity estimate or quantity survey. The quantity survey is essential to estimate before the construction starts the probable cost of construction for the complete work. The construction cost, which includes cost of materials, cost of transportation, cost of labor, tools and plants, etc. The estimate which is required in inviting tenders for the works and to arrange contract for the complete project. A qualified or experienced person who does the mentioned works like taking off, squaring, abstracting and billing is called the quality surveyor. Some duties of quantity surveyor are: they have to prepare the bill of quantities. That means the taking off, squaring, abstracting and billing. They also have to prepare the part of payments at intervals during the execution of work. They have to prepare the bill for adjustment in case of variations which happen during the execution of work. Some essential qualities of good surveyor are: the quality surveyor must be well versed with the drawings of work. He or she should able to read the drawings correctly and bill the quantities accurately. He or he should have a thorough knowledge of construction procedure which is to be adopted, the various items of work involved in the execution and the different materials which is to be used in the work. And he or he should be able to prepare the schedule to be priced by the tenderer. These are some of the essential qualities of the good surveyor. Thank you for watching this video.